In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a project in Planner 5D. So to do this, first you want to open the project, and then you want to go to the top right here where you can see this share button. You want to hover over it, and here you have a few options. You can click on the print button over here, and you can save it as a PDF. So change this to save as a PDF, click on the save button, and it's going to basically export this or download the project as a PDF. Then you have the second option, which is to export as DWG, which is fully compatible with AutoCAD, just like that. So if you click on it, it's going to start exporting. Or you could also export as DXF, and this is going to be supported by AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, or Revit, or etc. Okay, so you can basically do whichever one you want, and that's going to export it directly onto your computer, and your project will be downloaded, and you can use it in any project you want in your other programs. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.